Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your digital media with Canva, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your digital media using Canva, begin by logging into your Canva account. Navigate to the design you wish to secure. Once your design is open, look for the download option in the top right corner. Select the format you prefer for exporting your media, such as PNG or PDF. Before you download, check for any options regarding transparency or quality settings, if applicable. Once you've made your selections, click on the download button to save the file to your device. After downloading, consider adding a watermark to your design directly in Canva to enhance its protection. To add a watermark, return to your design and upload an image or use text to create it. Position the watermark appropriately, making sure it doesn't obstruct the main content. Adjust the transparency of the watermark to ensure your main design remains visible. Once satisfied, download the design again with the watermark included. If you intend to share your design online, consider using Canva share settings. Adjust the sharing options to limit access to view only, preventing others from editing your design. You can also generate a shareable link that allows only specific access levels. If you are collaborating with others, set clear permissions in the team settings of your account. For additional security, save your design as a draft instead of publishing it immediately. This allows you to control when and how it is shared with a wider audience. Finally, regularly review and update your privacy settings in Canva to ensure your designs remain protected. With these steps, you can effectively secure your digital media while using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.